grown these potatoes in the potato patio planters. There's 3 potato plants in here, been grown from seed potatoes, and they've grown up nicely. The flowers have come, they've died down. I might normally wait until the actual plant to die down a bit more, but we're going to see here how the potatoes are. See, they'll probably be a little bit small, but you know, sometimes they're tastier like that. So you can tip this out into a wheelbarrow, or I'm just doing it into a plastic sack here. But you just let the whole lot out. So look at the roots on there, and then we're going to break this up and see what we do. Oh, look at that. There we go. So, okay, so there we got one of the plants. The potatoes are pretty small here, but they will be tasty. So we'll pick those off. Don't want to miss any. There we go. Yeah, this plant's got a few more on it. Yeah. And this is so much easier than digging your potatoes with a fork in the ground, where you're likely to go through most of the potatoes. One of the tines of the fork. And these are lovely potatoes. This compost here you can actually reuse. What you want to do, you want to make sure that the plants are not diseased in any way, but if they're looking nice and healthy, then you can reuse this compost in another planter and grow something else in it. In fact, potato plants are very good for the soil, so other vegetables like courgettes might grow very nicely in this. You might want to add a little bit of plant food. Well, I think that's it for our potatoes. So I take out the plants themselves, and this can go straight back into another patio planter.
29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 38. I'm going to keep these in here for the next one so we can keep all the
38 potatoes, but I think that's it.